Do you have advice for young people? Think high school students, maybe undergrads, college students about career, life, how to live a life they can be proud of. You've had one heck of a life.
Some of them are really cheesy, but they're true. Live a life you can be proud of. Number one, if you wake up every morning and you hate what you do, change the fucking station. Do not live and stay in that perpetual cycle of bullshit. It's not worth it. It's not what you're on this planet for. You're worth more than that, than the monotony of waking up, going to work, hating your life, drinking yourself to sleep, and functioning. Do yourself a favor. The thing I scream about on the show so much is move your fucking body. Move your body. Get your blood moving. Allow your body to do what it's here for. Go for a run. Go for a walk. If you can't run, walk to the fridge 3 times more than maybe you did before, but you're moving. Pay attention to the shit you look at. More now than ever, we are seeing our younger generation just be force-fed information from one side or the other, and none of it makes sense. None of it's understandable. It just causes chaos in the brain. Really pay attention to what you listen to. Something I've had to learn to do is make time for myself. All of this working 18 hours a day, not sleeping, just work. That doesn't work. That's not sustainable. It's not healthy, and it's not anything anyone should be doing. Balance is important. But if you're going to take the time to do something for yourself, don't make it sitting in front of the TV for 6 hours, eating a bag of chips, drinking a Coke. Make it, I'm going to go for a walk, maybe listen to a podcast where I can learn something. Make it, I'm going to go volunteer somewhere. Nobody does that anymore, but make it I can go volunteer somewhere. Honor House, they have no paid employees. They have one. Everybody is a volunteer. They're fucking phenomenal. Just do whatever you're going to do. Do it with some fucking drive. Put some goddamn effort into your life and pick something in a career that's going to make you happy. Not something that's just going to give you 6 figures, because that's not going to make you happy. I can tell you right now, I have everything in the world. And the last thing I want is more things. I want less. I want the woods, and I want quiet, because that's what's important to me. I want my family to matter, the people around me to matter, and the small group I keep, that tight knit I have, I want them to wake up every minute knowing that they have a friend that they can call on the other line that isn't just like, how's it going? That can actually have a conversation, a meaningful, intelligent, caring conversation. We are just breeding these kids to be followers who digest bullshit, who reverberate things they don't fully understand, and have opinions on stuff they have no business talking about.
Yeah. With an open mind, humbly think deeply about the world.